a lot more characterization, especially at the incisal edge. I am Dr. Delaney Spaulding, and I'm a general dentist in Hoover, Alabama.
Is the standard zirconia crown.
With the standard zirconia crown, I think the patient would think that it's very acceptable, very smooth. From a dentist point of view, it's not exactly the prettiest thing.
Here we have the new Polychromatic Shade crown from Dandy.
The Polychromatic definitely has a lot more characterization, especially at the incisal edge. I would say the lab bill would maybe be $250.
Well, this is Dandy's new crown, and it is just $99.
That's nice. Many patients want to have a very pretty, beautiful smile. If a really pretty zirconia crown could be available for just normal cases, that will definitely change how people practice.